Good evening, everyone. Last class we have discussed about the set, Python list, tuple, and set. Today we are going to discuss about the dictionary. So, what exactly this dictionary? This is Python dictionary is also kind of collections of data, which will have collections of data, and then dictionary will have a key and value pair. The dictionary values will have the key and value pair. So each key is separated from its value by a column. So there will be a key and there will be a value to that key. The items are separated by comma and the whole things is enclosed in a curly bracket. So your dictionary will be enclosed in a curly bracket with a key and value pair, and each key and value pair will be separated from comma. An empty dictionary without any item is written with just two curly braces, like in the curly bracket. Like it will be called as empty dictionary. This will be called as empty dictionary. Key are unique within dictionary, while values may not be. Okay. So whatever the key you will use in the dictionary, that should be unique in nature, and then values can be repeated, duplicate values, but key should be unique. Like each dictionary will have unique keys will be there. The value of dictionary can be of any type, but the key must be of an immutable data type, such as a string, number, or tuples. Okay, so we'll see that one later. Dictionary are used to store data values in a key value pair. So key, this will be called as key, brand, model, year will be called as key, and then Ford, Mustang, and then year. This will be called as value, and this is separated from column, and each value is separated from key and value pair is separated from comma from each other. So you can add a number of key and value pair. This key will be unique inside the one dictionary, but values can be repeated. You can use values in a repeated way. A dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicate. It will not allow duplicate, and it is ordered, and then changeable. So this is a one example of your dictionary. Let me open the Databricks. Let it start. But till then, we'll understand what is dictionary further. So dictionary are written with the curly bracket and have keys and values. Keys and values it will have. So this will be called as keys. You can add a number of keys, but it should be unique in nature. And then these values you can add with the key value pair, and it can be repeated. So this is a type of dictionary. Dictionary items are ordered, changeable, and does not allow duplicate. Dictionary items are presented in key value pair. Key value pair it will be presented and can be referred by using the key name. So you can call the key name and it will give you the key value pair. So if you want to print the brand, so if you'll tell brand, it will print whatever the brand Ford is there. So it will print that one. So we'll see in some terms. Let it start our cluster. Okay, it will start. Now, if you see that, if I want to print what brand we have, so it will print like this. So it will print Ford. So brand is Ford. So we know that brand is Ford. So it will print Ford. So it will print Ford. So like this, you can get the values of the keys, order or on unordered. As Python version 3.7 dictionary are ordered. In Python 3.6 and earlier, dictionary was not ordered. Like it was unordered earlier versions, but nowadays they made it as a ordered. When we say that dictionary are ordered, it means that the items have a defined order and that order will not change. So that order will not change. It is a defined, like if you run all the times, it will give you the same order. Unordered means that item does not have the defined order. Changeable means like dictionary are changeable, meaning that we can change, add or remove items after the dictionary has been created. So whenever you have key value pair, so you can change the dictionary item, keys and value pair, you can change it. It will not allow duplicate. Dictionary cannot have two items with the same key. You cannot add same key two times, you cannot add. So if I'll run this one, it will throw error. So in interview, they will ask you that so now if you see here, it is overriding. So it is not running all these things. So whatever the latest value only it is printing. It is not printing 64 as well as 20. It is printing just latest value only. Duplicates value will overwrite existing value. Dictionary length. If you want to find the length of dictionary, alien method, as we have seen last time. So alien method, length method, you can use to find out how many keys and value pair are there. So if you see here, we'll be able to see that how much length we have. It will print 3. It will print 3. 3 key value pair are there. Dictionary items data types is dictionary only. That values in a dictionary item can be any data type. So any data type you can add, like whether it's a string or it is a year or it may be a boolean or it may be a list. You can add the list also. You can add the list also. Let me see what output we'll get here with a different colors. So when I say that print this tuple or this dictionary. So it's saying that for electric, okay, false, okay, year 1964, and then colors are red, white, and blue. So we can declare the list also here. Type, if you want to find the what date, type of this collections of data, then it will print dictionary type. So last class we have seen that you can use the type method. If you want to construct, if you want to make anything in a dictionary manner, then we can use the DICT and then open bracket, close bracket. This dictionary constructor, we can use it. So this is the tuple, guys. So inside the small bracket, the tuples will be created. So if you want to convert this into dictionary, then we can use the DICT and then open bracket, close bracket. It will give you the whatever the it will be converted in dictionary. Now it's in curly bracket means it is a dictionary. And if you want to see the type of this one, then you can use type also. It will return dictionary type. So it is a type of dictionary. How to access the item in this? So we can call the models like whatever the key are there, we can call and then it will print the items. So uh, we have this dictionary. If we want to access any keys and value pair, then we can take out the key values and then it will print those values on print X. It will print Ford. Sorry, Mustang. Model is Mustang. There is also called method as a get method. Get method we can use to get the values. We can use get method to get the values. Let's make it as a y and then this one as again y. the same output you will get. So get method also. In get method, inside that you declare any model, like brand. If I'll give, then it will give the, let me see, two things we can use or not. So we have to pass in a list. Okay. So let me see. Two bracket will work. None. So single value only it is returning. Single value only it is returning. So we'll see multiple values. How can we access in further topics? Must have only. Get keys. So if you want to get only keys, like if you see brand model here, and if you want to get only keys here, then we can use the keys method. So when you use this key method, it will give you only the key here. It will give you only key here. So there are three keys we have. So it will give you keys only. So if you want to get the values, for that also we'll have. Okay, one more thing, that the list of the keys is a view of dictionary, meaning that any changes done to the dictionary will be reflected in the key list. And a new items to the original dictionary, and see that key list gets updated as well. So last topics we have seen that whatever the value we are updating, that will be, it will take the latest one. It will take the latest one. So here you can get the key, and before changing, we are just changing the color, car color as white, car color as white. So let me see. So it's saying that car color is white. So at the end, the new keys are added. Like this is the key and this is the value. In the last, it is added. In the last, it is added. So we can update the dictionary. We can add multiple items also. Get values. So if you want to get the values, values method will work here. So if you want to get what are the values are there, so you can use get values, and it will give you the values only. Only values it will give. If you want to get the keys, then it will give you the keys only. Make change in the original dictionary and see that the value list gets updated as well. So if you want to change any item, like see the key we cannot use multiple. So when you will add this one, latest one will be added. Latest one will be added. So it will ignore the last one, and then it will give you latest one. So it will give you the latest one. Latest one it will give. Latest value it will be updated. Get item. So if you want to get the items, so item method will return each item in a dictionary. Each item in a dictionary as a tuple in a list. As a tuple in a list means like inside the list, it will create a tuple with all the items in a dictionary. Now if you see here, and key value pair it will return. It will return in key value pair. When I run here print and then X, then it will print key value pair all the items here. Now see, inside inside list, it is making as a tuple. What is the brand? Ford. What is the model? Mustang. What is the year? Like same thing. So if you want to check the like key exists or not, then we can use the if statement. If statement. If a model in this list, then it will print this one. Otherwise, it will go to the else part. We don't have else part here, so it will ignore this one. It will not give. It may give the true one. As model we have here, so it will give true, or it will print this one. It will print this one because it's a true, then it will give this one. If I'll make it as a model one, which is not available in the key pair dictionary, then it will return false. So it's not returning anything. Okay. So as we don't have the else part, it is not returning anything because the output here is the false. False, we have not declared anything. Update dictionary. If you want to update the dictionary, then use the update keyword, update method, and the dictionary will be updated. Dictionary will be updated. So print dictionary, and then if you see here, it's got updated as year 2020. Okay, so ignore this one. Remove the dictionary item. If you want to remove the dictionary item, then pop method will work. So pop method, what it will do, the pop method remove the item with the specified key name. So whatever the key name you will specify, that it will be removed from the dictionary. It will be removed from the dictionary. So pop method will remove the key from the dictionary. Key from the dictionary. So your model is removed. Model is removed here. Pop method will remove the key and value pair both. Pop item. So if you want to remove the pop item method, remove the last inserted item. So whatever the last item you have inserted, it will remove those items. It will remove those items. Pop item. Pop item, it will remove the last item. So it will remove the last item. So whatever the last item is there, pop items will be removed. Delete keyword is there. Delete keyword remove the items with the specified key name. Again, same thing as a pop method, and you can delete the complete dictionary also using delete keyword, DL keyword. So now when it will be removed, the only except model it will give the remaining things. So the model will be removed here using delete. And if you want to delete whole dictionary, complete dictionary, then you are going to use DL keyword again. In this case, you don't have to mention any item here. You just mention this one and then you see like it will be deleted. Now, I'm deleting this dictionary and I'm trying to print this again. It will throw error. This dictionary is not defined. So before that, if I'll say that print and then so we have the value for this one. No, it's not like it's completely deleted. So print is not working here. Okay. So before also it is not taking because it's all deleted. From the instances only it will be deleted. Loop dictionary. How can you use the loops through the dictionary? Same thing. X value for loop. Like one by one, it will print the whatever the values we have. So I'm just applying the for loop here. What will happen? It will print one by one until unless it will be not satisfied that it will print. And it is printing only key, printing key here. Print all values in a dictionary one by one. So print all key name in the dictionary one by one. So when you want to print only key, then this one. And if you want to print only values, then it is like we have to declare something like this. So only the values it is printing. And here only the key it is printing. So here key value both is printing. This one is printing key value both, and this one is printing only the values. Only the values it is printing. You can also use values method to return values of the dictionary. Just now we have seen only values it will print. And indentation we have to take care properly. Without indentation, it will be a problem. Only the values it will print. And if you want to get only keys, then also you can use a keys method here. It will print only keys. Only keys it will print. Loop through both keys and values by using item method. So you can use this method to get the complete key and value pair. So there are different things are there. So one by one, if you'll do practice, you will be able to know all these things. So dictionary is little bit complex, but you have to do practice, and they may ask you what is the difference between dictionary, set, tuples, and list, and all these things. If you want to append any item in list or any item in a dictionary, then how can you add new items? How will you get the keys value? Can you get the values pair? So those things they may ask you in interview. And how to copy dictionary from one dictionary to another dictionary. You cannot copy a dictionary simply by typing dictionary 2 is equals to dictionary 1, because dictionary 2 will have only be reference to dictionary 1, and changes made in dictionary 1 will automatically also be made in dictionary 2. So there are ways to copy a dictionary. One way is to build a dictionary method by using copy method. So using copy method, we can copy dictionary from one dictionary to another dictionary, one dictionary to another dictionary. I don't have docs for interview questions. I'll be preparing those things. It may take time. Okay. So now, whatever the dictionary, this dictionary is having key and value pair. So it will be copied this dictionary to the my dictionary. My dictionary. So my dictionary, this dictionary will be copied to my dictionary. There are nested dictionary also. Like consider that child one, child one name is ML, and then date of birth is this one. Child two another dictionary, and then child three another dictionary. Like this, you will have real time data in real time scenario when you will be working on any of the organization. So that time you may get the dictionary I like files like this, and which will have data in this format only. So many things will be there in this case. So my family. So if I print my family, so you get all the child one. Child one, this is the details. Child one, child two, this is the details, and child three, this is the detail. And if you want to print only child one, let me try whether we can able to print or not. Child one. So it is not given. We have to use a key and value pair. So here create three dictionary, then create one dictionary that will contain other three dictionaries. So what it is doing? So we are creating one dictionary here, and we are second dictionary here, third dictionary here, and then we'll have this dictionary will have whole values, full values will be there in this dictionary only. So you don't have to write again and again same thing. You can create three dictionary, and same three dictionary can be stored in one dictionary, can be stored in one dictionary. Same way what we have seen, yes, starting also we can declare, at the end also we can copy all the dictionary in one dictionary. So like this, it will be copied child to child 3. Same as previous also. Previous we have declared in the starting only. We have created a dictionary by using the curly bracket, and we have ended here. So this is ending here, but this is also method where you will be able to store multiple dictionary in one dictionary. So all these things are whatever we have seen. Same thing. You can practice all this whatever is there, and then you know. So this dictionary topic is over. Now next one will have if else condition, if else condition, dictionary if else condition. Sorry, Python if else condition. So wherever we were seeing if and then else somewhere earlier, now we will be seeing in the detail level. What is this if and else? How can we use in our current project? So now it is the predictions of the condition that occurs while exceeding a program to the specified action. If if this is true, then print this one, print this statement. If this is false, then if a statement is false, then print else a statement. Like that we'll have. Decision structure evaluates multiple expression with the procedure true and false will play a major role when you will be doing if and else condition. If and else condition, you will get output based on true and false only. So if condition or if else condition only work with the if true and false. If you need to determine which actions to take and which statement to execute, its outcome is true or false. Basis on the true and false only, it will give you the output. Following in the general form of the typical decision-making structure found in the most of the programming language. So even though in other programming languages, C, C++, Java and all, the working method of is if is same. If condition is true, if the condition is true, then execute this block of code, then execute this statement. If condition is false, then come out of the loop. This is the if condition structure. If condition structure. We are not using else here. So if condition is true, then only you print this statement. If condition is false, then you come out of the loop. So now if a statement, what are the statement we have? If a statement, if else a statement, and then we'll have the nested if a statement, nested if a statement, where you can use a multiple if else condition. So we'll see one by one what is if condition. If an if a statement consists of Boolean expression followed by one or more statement. If the condition will true, then only it will print the statement. Otherwise, it will come out of the loop. Otherwise, it will come out of the loop. If else condition, if condition is true, then it will execute the statement. If a condition is false, then it will jump to the else statement. It will print the else statement. Something like this. Start. This is the if a statement only. Start expression. Give the expression. If it's a true, then print this statement and then stop it. If expression is false, then come out of the loop and then stop it. Don't print anything. Syntax is if and then execute your code. Examples are if age equals to 15. If age greater than 10, then print age greater. We know that if 15 is greater than 10, then the statement it will return true, then it will print this one. If I'll make it that age less than 10, age less than 10, then it will not print anything. It will come out of the loop and it will stop the execution. When I print this one, it will give age greater. When I say that age greater than 10, age less than 10, then it will come out of the loop and it will not execute anything. It will not execute anything. So it's executed, it will not execute anything. If else statement, how it works in the we have the flow diagram here. So start, you will write the if else statement. If else statement, if a statement you start and then you give some condition or expression. If it's a true, then it will print this statement. If it's a false, then it will go and it will print this statement. And once it will be printed, it will go and stop the execution. If expression is true, if expression is true, then it will print this statement. If expression is false, then it will print this statement and it will come out of the loop and it will stop the execution. If expression execute your, if this is true, then only it will execute the code. If condition is, if expression or whatever condition you have given here, if it's returned false, then it will come to the else part and it will execute this code, this statement. It will execute. Consider that one example of this one. Consider that one example of this one. So A is 15 and B is 20. We know that A is less than B, but we are declaring it as a age greater than B. 15 is not greater than B. So in this case, what it will return? It will return false. It will return false. So which statement it will execute? It will go and it will execute this statement. Else part it will execute. Else part it will execute. Because this if statement in when it will execute in case of only when it returns true, otherwise it will return false statement. If it's not true, if it's a false, then it will return else part. So now I made it age less than B. So 15 is less than 20. So in this case, this expression is true. This expression is true. Then it will return this one. And don't forget to add a colon. So colon is required for the loops, if condition, else condition, or your for loop, while loop, do while loop, wherever you use the this type of condition, you have to apply the loops here. Now it will print age greater because we have made it true. Else LF. Okay. So what happened in this case? So it will go in whatever the condition you will give. So if condition is true, then it will print this block of code and then it will come out of the loop. If condition is false, then it will go and it will check second condition. And then if it's a true, then it will execute this code and it will come out of the loop. Again, if this is false, if these two conditions are false, it will go and it will check the third condition. If it's true, then it will print this block of code and then it will come out of the loop. If this condition is also false, then it will come out of the loop indirectly. So this is little bit multiple conditions will be there. So the flow is uh, uh, different direction. So when condition one is false, then it will go to the second condition. If this condition is also false, then it will go to the third condition. In first condition only, if it's a true, then it will run this code and then it will come out of the loop. It will not go and execute this flow. It will not go and it will execute this two codes. If this condition is true, if this condition only false, then it will check further condition. If this is true, then it will come out of the loop. This one, it will be execute. It will ignore this part. If it's a false, then only it will go here. And in this case also, if it's a true, then it will come out of the loop. If this is also false, then it will definitely it will come out of the loop only. So what is the syntax you have? If expression, execute your code. Okay. So you are gonna give here as any statement expressions you will give. If it's a true, then only it will execute the code. If it's a false, then it will go and it will check here. If this is also false, then it will go and it will check this one and then it will execute the code. Like examples for this one, LF. So A is 15, B is 15. Okay, so both are same. So when I'm saying that if A is greater than B, this is false statement. This is false statement. What we will do? It will come as it is returning false. It will go and it will check, okay, this is true or not. So A is equals to B. That is true. Then it will print this statement. It will ignore this statement. If this also, if we'll make it false, then it will go and it will print this statement. So in this case, both are equal. So it's printing both are equal. So when I say here, A is less than B, A is less than B. So what happened? It will ignore this one and then it will go and it will print this one. You can make as long as you can add more condition here. You can add one more else here, this one, if A is equals to B, then we can say that both are equal. Then both are equal. And again, else part like this, it will be. Both are equal. So here also it's not satisfying. Here also it's not satisfying. Here also not satisfying. Here, if find that the condition is true, then it's executing this one. Okay. So like this it will be. Like this it will be. If I say that less than equals to, then let's see that what will be the output. Less than equals to. So let's see. So it's printing both are equal. Less than equals to one condition, if it's satisfying, then it's printing both are equal. So like this, LF will work here. Single statement, both all together you can write in a single statement. Like whatever the if condition we wrote, you can write in one single condition instead of writing multiple line. If age equals to 15, if age equals to 15, then print the value of 15. So in one line also we can write like this. So one program is there. How to find the how to find the given number is even or odd, even or odd. So in this case, if and else condition will work out. So very simple program. When I say that x is equals to int input, you have to give the input here. So when we use input method, so it will ask for the value. It will ask for the value. This code is not proper. So if you want to find number is even or odd, so it's asking enter the number. So when I say that 10, then it will print the number is even. So 10 is even because we have here x means whatever the value we are passing here, x is equals to input we are passing, those value only it will print. Those value only it will print. Consider that I'm running again and I'm saying that value is 99. In this case, 99 is odd number, then it will say that 99 is odd. So this is one example of your even and odd. Okay. So this is one thing. Another one is also same thing only. So like this, you will use if else condition in your programs. So we can find out more examples for if and else statement. So like Python program on if and else condition. So like this. So all these are kind of things are there. So write a program to accept the cost price of a bike and display the road tax to be paid according to the following criteria. So if it's a cost is 10,000, 1 lakh rupees, then pay 15% tax. If it's a cost is in between 15,000 to 1 lakh, then pay 10% tax. And then if it's a 50,000, less than 50,000, then pay 5,000, 5% of tax. So this is the program we have. So we got some question. So I'll prepare this one and then I'll post into the paste into the your worksheet. It will be useful for me also. Okay. So next one is what we are going to discuss. Okay. How to find. Yeah, this is done. Your if else condition is done. So like this, I'll let me add more program here and then I'll share it this document with you. So next one will be loops and then Python function. And this will make it tomorrow. We'll try to finish this two tomorrow. And then maybe on Wednesday, not Wednesday, Thursday, we'll see pandas and NumPy together and we'll make it over by Thursday, this Python. Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow again. Okay, guys. So bye everyone. And next week onwards, we'll start Databricks. So be prepared with the Python and SQL. Okay. Bye everyone.